Hi, I'm Prakyat, an HMS developer from Huawei India Research Center. Welcome to Develop with HMS Core. Today, I'm going to explain about Location Kit and show the integration steps. Location Kit combines the global navigation satellite system, Wi-Fi and base station location, allowing you to provide flexible location-based services for global users. Currently, it provides three main capabilities: fuse location, activity identification, and geofence. If you want to watch the Location Kit previous videos, please click on the I button at the top right corner or see the link below. In this video, we will introduce the Geofence service of Huawei Location Kit. The Geofence service allows you to set an interested area through an API so that your app can receive a notification when a specified action such as leaving, entering, or staying in the area occurs. Now, let us get coding.
Open and sign in to Huawei developer website, go to Console, App Gallery Connect and open My Apps. Click on New App, enter the relevant information, select Add to Project and click OK to create a project. Go to My Projects, click on OK to move to the next screen. Select Manually enter the package name and save. Set the data storage location. Add the SHA-256 certificate fingerprint for your application. Then download agconnectservices.json file. Add agconnectservices.json file under app directory. Verify the package name that was mentioned in app gallery. Open project level build.gradle file at the Maven repository under build scripts and all projects section. Also add the class path. Open application level build.gradle file at the latest version of Location Kit libraries under the dependencies section. Open the Android manifest file and add the required permissions. Declare a broadcast receiver to get notified about Geofence. Open the layout XML file of the application. Add a map view. Create a layout to enter Geofence details. Add edit text and button. Open the application level class. Set the API key. Open the main activity of the application. Set the API key before loading map view. Request for permissions. On map ready, set the map type. Check if location permission approved. Set your current location enabled. Set the click listener. On clicking on the map, add marker on clicked coordinate. Take the coordinates. Create a Geofence service. Get a pending intent for a broadcast receiver with pump specific action. Create a geofence with the coordinate. Set the conversions. Add it to the list. Create a geofence request. Set init conversions. Create a geofence list on the Geofence service. On complete callback, take the radius. Add a circle on the coordinate. Now, the coding is completed.
Let's try it out. To do that, open newly installed app. It will open map screen with your current location. Click on a place in map. It will add marker and take the location coordinates to next screen. Enter the radius and set the geofence. A circle will be drawn on the map based on geofence details. It will display whether your current location is inside or outside geofence boundary. Well, that's all for today's episode. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments area below or visit Huawei developer website and be sure to hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.